Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi POCO C3 and I'm gonna show you how to change picture quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the picture quality option, so let's pick it. As you can see we can change it from high to standard and also the low, and of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is high here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.